Hey ho, good to see you. How you doing? I hope you've seen a few of my other videos. Take a look. What I'm trying to do is teach everyone what I have learned over the last 33 years. 33, yeah, 33, 35, I don't know, something like that. It's been quite a few good years. Some not so good when I was in bigger business, but you get that. Now it's by myself and teach everyone that I can what I know. The only thing with bathrooms is it does get a little bit squeezy and you're in confined spaces all the time. If it's a new house, well then you can spread out into other rooms. But when people are living in it, it's a little bit harder. So you can't quite spread out so much. What I've done is across there is falling down to the strip drain. This is level. It's all a 6x6 tile. When you're using bags, you get stuff all waste as well, you know, 'cause like that's what I've got left over. You could fit it in a shoebox or less than that, which is cool because it might be a bit more expensive to buy and use than getting just sand and cement from your landscape man, but this has got additives in it as well. So it makes it a lot stronger. It's not in the habit of cracking, and you don't get your effervescence coming through your grout lines like with normal sand and cement. I was in a nice house the other day and I was looking at the bathrooms and all the tiles are stained because the effervescence, the lime comes out of the cement and stuffs up the grout lines, and then it goes all over the tiles. Not good. Not a good look in a multi-million-dollar home. My first impression was, whoa! I'll take that back just a bit more, so I've got room for a bit of aluminium. I'm taking the architrave off tomorrow. I'm fitting, oh, won't be doing it tomorrow, but I'm fitting bigger architrave like my other one, the ensuite. I'll show you why I'm so keen on strip drains. In a minute I'll take you to the ensuite and show you. Now that's cool. You see that? I hope so. It's dead level at the door, dead level everywhere, nice and flat, with a nice 6x6 tile. It'll come out gorgeous. I'll see you in a minute. I'll just duck over to the ensuite, I'll show you.